Samsung's Galaxy A54 5G improves upon the already excellent mid-range phone to become the best in its segment. I've been using the Galaxy A54 5G for more than a week, and I've been enjoying it a lot more than I thought I would. There are a couple of things I wish Samsung would have done differently, but the Galaxy A54 still offers a well-rounded experience without hurting the wallet. The changes made to the Galaxy A54 are all mostly positive, and it's an easy pick if you live in the US where there aren't too many competitors gatekeeping the mid-range market. This device is the successor of the wildly popular Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. One of the key selling points of this device is its 5G connectivity, which allows for lightning-fast download and upload speeds. This makes it an ideal choice for streaming video, playing online games, and browsing the web at high speeds. Here are some pros and cons of the Galaxy A54 5G. Pros: 5G connectivity. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G offers lightning-fast download and upload speed thanks to its 5G connectivity. This makes it ideal for streaming video, playing online games, and browsing the web at high speeds. Large high-resolution display. The device features a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution. This provides a vivid visual experience, deep blacks, and vibrant colors. Powerful processor. The device is powered by a Samsung Exynos 1380 processor, which offers plenty of power and performance for even the most demanding apps and games. Triple camera setup. The device comes equipped with a triple camera setup on the back with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. This allows you to take high-quality photos and videos with a variety of different shooting options. Large battery. The device comes with a large 5,000 mAh battery, providing plenty of power to keep the device running throughout the day, even with heavy usage. Cons. Price point. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is priced at a premium, and this may not be affordable to some consumers, who might look at other options available in the market. No wireless charging. The Galaxy A54 5G does not support wireless charging, which may be inconvenient for some users. Plastic build. Though this device is priced at a premium, it's made of plastic. Plastic is not a bad material, but glass gives a more elegant look and feels to the phone. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is an impressive smartphone with a wealth of features and capabilities. Its large, high-resolution display, powerful processor, and quad-camera setup make it an ideal choice for photography and video, while its 5G connectivity and large battery ensure that you can stay connected and productive throughout the day. The device is designed to meet most of the demands of the average mobile phone user and also has some exclusive features as well, making it a solid choice for anyone in the market for a new smartphone. That concludes today's update. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.